Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding where a limit does not exist on a graph is simple if you know what to look for. Let's solve this fast.
First, look at x equals 1. Even though there is a hole in the graph, the left and right sides meet at the same height, so the limit definitely exists there. Next, check x equals 3. This is just a removable discontinuity where the function value is different, but the paths from both sides still target the same y value perfectly fine. Finally, at x equals 5, the graph jumps between heights. Since the two sides do not match, the limit does not exist. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the information and check steps for option B.